So I'm looking at the chart of NVDA, and this stock has had a very nice run, but what are we going to do with it here? Let me show you a possible trade idea. So on the daily chart, NVIDIA is forming a pennant pattern. And this pattern is basically showing that there is an indecision in the market because you have a series of lower highs, but a series of higher lows. So I jumped into the hourly to give you a little bit better view of this, and you can see that there are lower highs and higher lows, saying that the market is basically at an area of indecision. So now one thing we can do is we can wait for the break up or the breakdown before we figure out what trade we're going to put on. But here's a trade idea that I'm thinking about putting on right now. So just hopping into the options chain on NVIDIA real quick, I am looking out 10 days, and the put that I'm eyeing up is this 365 put, which I can sell for 250. That means if assigned, I would be assigned at the low, right here at 365 after the earnings gap. So here's another way to look at that options trade. This vertical line is the expiration, which is June 16th, and this white horizontal line is the price, 365. So just as long as NVIDIA stays above 365 by June 16th expiration, we won't get assigned and we'll collect that full premium. So the reason that I like this trade versus just buying the stock outright or buying puts or calls is that I'm just saying the stock has to be above this price by this date, and that's giving me a little more leeway because the stock could go up, it could go down, but just as long as it's above that price, I'm going to make money on this trade. It's a little bit easier than just trying to predict the direction outright.